Good evening. Welcome, sir, to Panchtantra Programming Platform.
Good evening.
So, an introduction to everybody. This is principal of Dr. Dada Gujar School, High School, which is based in Pune. And Patil sir, we had approached him when we wanted to conduct our first set of camps of Panchtantra programming. He was really open to bringing in something very innovative because at that point we did not have real references to what we have to offer. And we conducted the camp. We started exactly 1 year back. We started the camp in August. And we went on with the camp around February. And then with the lockdown, we were not able to proceed to the next level. But with, in this duration, we completed level 1 and level 2. So we did 2 levels with children. And we are today looking to understand from sir that in that limited time, what has been his inputs and feedback and experience of Panchtantra programming for the children of this school.
Thank you, ma'am, for this interview, first of all. And you involve our school in your project. So this is the very new program for us and our children also, especially Marathi medium school is concerned, so far is concerned. So I want just my school go up and higher. So I never say no. So once again, I thanks a lot. So first of all, just now you asked me first question. It's very new for us, and we are very enthusiastic also. We're eager to know also new program. Even parents are very happy now. First activity, something new, and even also in technological background. How to tell stories and how to that coding. Just now you tell 4 C's. Just now you mentioned collaboration, creativity, communication, and coding. It's completely new. We don't know about all these things about this. Our children also don't know about this, but now they are learning how to tell stories, how to communicate. Story through storytelling, it's good for them to develop their creativity also, and it's a new experiment. It's a way of new communication. So parents are also very happy, and even our teachers also very enthusiastic to know about this program.
So I would like
Right.
to just share my screen and
Yeah. Okay.
walk you through and our viewers. So the children did 5 stories. We had 5 teams of about 5 to 6 children each. And each team did a different story, which is a contemporary adaptation of classic Panchtantra. So if you just look at, and what I'm showing right now is the scratch window. So in fact,
Yeah.
yeah, okay. So now on the scratch window, the backdrops. So I would like to start with the backdrops. So when we talked about making a story about animals which is set in the jungles, even without knowing the stories and details, with just the context, just look at the kind of backdrops children created. We just gave them inputs that this is the kind of story you're going to be creating. And such wonderful backdrops they created. So this makes their story unique to them, starting from the backdrops. So this is what they did. The characters have been created by our volunteer, Panchtantra programming volunteers. These are digital characters. And then just amount of coding they have learned. And when we started with the children, they were hesitant to touch the laptops. When our volunteers took our laptop, most of them were hesitant, and slowly, one person in the team started to code. The second person came in and started to code, and slowly we saw more and more children were learning, and they shared with us. It was very challenging for them, right? Because it's completely new skill and very steep learning curve, because here we are making a story which is about 10 to 12 scenes and a lot of animation in each scene, and you can just look at the kind of code they have written for each of the characters. So being able to think of this entire sequence, put it together and flow it. So right from, fitting all the characters in, giving them movement, so that comes under motion. Then changing their appearances, talk, sound comes where they really enjoyed. This is the part, dubbing for the characters. They're lots of fun. The complex part came in, events, being able to synchronize, because in coding you have to instruct everything. Anything you don't instruct properly doesn't happen. And that I think some of this became really challenging for them to understand how you synchronize things, how do you send messages, you receive, and then you put in your code flow. And so this is a sample of the kind of coding they have done, and you can see it's a lot of work they've done.
So it's really completely new for us. Just now you told me the background, a picture and coding and dubbing and all these things. It's completely new. They are just learning from now on this stage. 8th standard के बच्चे अभी से सीख रहे हैं. So this is completely new for them also.
Right, sir. And all our volunteers came as software engineers. They came from different companies like IBM, Linux, Red Hat. So a lot of different companies, volunteers came in, and their experience was that the way children were building logic, learning to build the main coding logic, is really one of the best ways for them to develop this skill, because that is finally what is required in any coding field, any programming field. And the creative side of it, most of us software engineers, we are not so well developed in our creative side. So this was a learning for us.
I really, I became so happy when they're telling me. Even parents also, our institution, our secretary also, because now you're taken lots of efforts for this. So I think 6 months at least we have taken. Another volunteer also, they came and they used to come on our school. You are doing also, hard working. All people, your team coming every Saturday. It's really exactly 100% marks I want to give you for this project also. And our reputation, increase school by because of this your project, Panchandra Stories. Coming to me and asking me, sir, we want to join this program. So why not? Why we not? I just told them, you just wait. Next year we'll participate you. So that means they are very also learn to eager also, and so many children are coming forward now. And so just now you're telling about study, is a completely oriented exam point of view. So here practically they are learning by doing all these things. So it's something new experience for them. And this is the education I think we have to give.
Here, you are taking that special time out for children and enabling them to learn.
Okay.
How will it become easier for more schools to adopt it? Because children may want to learn, because they definitely, they used to come in early on Saturday mornings, much before their school hours, and all of them stayed till the end of the camp. So, for them it was a big experience. But how do educators like you make it happen for the children? Does
Yeah, we have to give some time only in school. Otherwise, after the school, we can give time. Only half an hour, some lectures, periods are there, like Vyaktimatva Vikas, social service, PT. So we can give some periods, we can allot some period for this extra activity, isn't it? Every Saturday also we can give. So they will create, and तो आगे जाके वो कुछ तो कर सकते हैं ये बच्चे. अभी से उसको सब पता चल जाए तो ऐसा ऐसा है. So definitely the future is bright. But न्यू एजुकेशन सिस्टम में ये सब है. उसको सब प्रोजेक्ट भी प्रिपेयर करना है और प्रेजेंटेशन भी देना है. दैट मीन्स क्रिएटिविटी इज देयर। इसका जो बोल्डनेस है, कॉन्फिडेंस है, सब स्किल को ये एक्सपोजर मिलने वाला है। नहीं तो आजकल के बच्चे सब पढ़ते लेकिन उसको दो शब्द बोल वो ही कैनॉट स्पीक, ही कैनॉट एक्सप्रेस देयर व्यूज, ऐसा है। सो इट्स अ लर्निंग प्रोग्राम आई थिंक। कुछ स्कूल में अभी हो रहा है, वो दे आर ओनली इंग्लिश स्कूल्स आई थिंक, एंड दे आर टेकिंग अ लॉट ऑफ फीस आल्सो फॉर दिस, इजंट इट? कोडिंग कैसा करने का है, कंप्यूटिंग ये सब, ऑल दिस थिंग्स। कुछ तो स्कूल्स एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं लेकिन को यू हैव टू पे हाई फीस, एंड मराठी मीडियम के बच्चे ये अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, दे कैन नॉट अफोर्ड। वो फी नहीं दे सकते तो ये कैसे अफोर्ड कर सकते, ऐसा है। तो इट्स वेरी, इट्स नॉट इजी फॉर देम, बट इन मराठी मीडियम स्कूल के बच्चे के तो हो सकता है, डेफिनेटली हो सकता है। एंड पीपल सच लाइक यू, इफ यू कम फॉरवर्ड तो डेफिनेटली इट विल कम ट्रू। हमारे लिए भी इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ ड्रीम कम ट्रू है, मराठी मीडियम बच्चों के लिए एक्सपोजर इतना मिलना, वेरी नाइस इट, वी आर वेरी फॉर्चुनेट।
We have a few challenges to understand and solve,
Yes, of course.
especially how to create more and more educators who can participate in this program, जिससे हम और बच्चों को ले जाएं, क्योंकि
ले जा सकते हैं, करेक्ट।
जी, तो वो challenges हमें डिस्कस करने हैं, सॉल्व करने हैं, और लोगों से पार्टनरशिप्स करनी है इसके लिए। आई
श्योर
थिंक
श्योर।
एजुकेटर कम्युनिटी से पार्टनरशिप, इसमें हम जितना ज्यादा कर सकें उतने ज्यादा बच्चों तक हम ले जा सकते हैं।
सकते, करेक्ट करेक्ट।
तो